Here's how to use the washing machine. Here you put the detergent. Here you put detergent if you want to do a pre-wash. And here the softener. Close it. Put the clothes inside. Close it. Here, turn on. It's turning on. Here. Now it's on. Here, choose the programs. This is the fast program, cotton, mixed, synthetics, delicates, etc. Choose one. For example, mixed. Here, increase or lower the speed, temperature. He is telling me to advising the 20 degrees temperature for mixed, so let's do it. And here the speed is already set also for 1000, and here you put initiate and it will end. When it finishes, take out your clothes and then turn off.